Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Arnavi Mitra and I am a software developer engineer at Amazon. So in this video, I will be solving two Power Programmer previous year questions. So I have already one series where I solve previous year questions and I have already solved some of the questions. And in the recent assessment which happened this year, I mean this week, I got some questions and I will be solving two among them. So both the questions came in the easy section that I am going to solve. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first question, it's saying you are in a 3D path and you can move in any direction of x, y and z axis, meaning in the 3D path I can move in positive or negative in any direction. Initially you are at origin and they will then you will be given any instructions. So I will be given some instruction as plus x plus y plus z minus x minus y minus z. And you can take any non-zero integral distance by these steps on the positive and negative direction. So if plus x mean I can go to any step in the positive x direction. Similarly minus x mean I can go to I mean I have to go back. Suppose I have taken plus x plus 1 and then I am giving minus 1, meaning I have to come back or come towards origin. Or if I have initially taken minus x, that means I can go towards negative x direction. Basically plus plus meaning I can take positive steps and minus meaning I can take negative steps. And non-zero integral distance, that meaning the distance I can take as 0. So at every time at least I need to take at least one step, or I can take any value 1 2 3 4. So let's check what it's saying. Non-zero integral distance by the steps on positive and negative directions, and calculate the minimum distance you need to take to come back to origin if you have chosen the optimal distance every time. So I have to choose, I can choose any number, but at last I need to take care that I am coming back to origin. And then I need to return what is the minimum distance I need to take. And if I am not able to come back to origin anyway, I will return minus 1. And in the constant it's saying the value of n will be from 1 to 10 to the power 5. Okay, then fine, let's move ahead. Okay, there are some examples. Plus x plus y minus x, meaning I can take two position towards the x positive x direction, and then plus y meaning positive y direction, then minus y meaning I have to come towards negative direction, and minus x meaning towards negative x direction. Now to come back to origin, I have to take how many steps. So it is mentioned as output as 6. So let's see. So what is happening? Suppose I have this kind of thing and I can take two steps like this. This is first step plus x, this is second plus x. Now I can move to plus y. So suppose I am giving like this, and I have to come back, then minus x meaning negative direction. So this is possible to come back to origin, and they didn't mention that the value of x and minus x will be same or fixed. Nothing they have mentioned. So at first I can take value of x as anything, and I can take, but to optimize it, let's suppose this is 1, second one is also 1, and both the y are also 1, and while coming back let's take it as minus 2. So if I am taking like this, I can come back to origin. So that meaning uh, I can take like this: plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, minus 1, minus 2. So the total sum, I mean total how many distance I have to pass, or I mean how many distance we are covering is 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 2, meaning 6. So I can take like that. Okay, now there is another example: plus x minus y. See, here we are going to positive direction of x, but there is no chance of coming back because minus x is not mentioned. And similarly, we for y it's minus y is mentioned, that we can go to negative direction of y, but we can't come back. So there is no way. Even though I am taking at least one, I have to take. So even though I am taking one, it will go to the right side of the x axis, and for y at minimum, if I am taking one, so it will go down at least one. So it will end up at 2 minus 1 position, and I can't, no way I can take it back. So I will return minus 1. So I guess the question is clear to you. Now we need to check how we can solve it. So let's check some more example. Like I have taken plus x minus x plus y. It's not possible. Even though with x I can come back to origin, but there is another y plus y step. So there is no way we can come back to with using y. Similarly, second example, plus x minus x plus z minus y. So in the second and third, like y axis and z axis, we can't come back. And the third example, check plus 1 plus y minus y. Okay, we can come back, and plus z minus z. Yeah, we can come back. So one thing is clear: if we have one plus x, we must have at least one minus x. If we are going towards positive direction of y, we should have at least minus y. If plus z is present, then at least one minus z should be present, or vice versa. If minus x is present, plus x must be present, or something like that. Okay, so this thing is clear for non I mean for returning minus 1, or when our things will be failed. This thing is clear. Now the question is how we will solve and how to get the optimized time. Okay, so let's moving ahead. So here I have taken one example: 3 plus 6, then 2 minus 6, then plus y minus 1 minus y. So one thing is clear: if the positive and negative are equal, then it's fine. We can take the same value. We can take one in every step, and we can come back. So it's fine. But suppose that things are not equal. Like there are three. There are three positive x, but only two. There are three positive x, but only 2 minus x. So even though I'm taking 1, 1, 1, I can't take value of x as 1. So this can't be possible. So what to do? See, suppose I am taking 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So it's taking 3. Anyway, we need to go for minimum. So the 3 is fine. But now here, suppose I am taking minus 1 for this. Okay, this is fine. It will be 2. Now here I have to take minus 2. So that's why it's to take it back to the origin. And they have never mentioned that value of x and minus x will be same for each and every time. They never mentioned. So it's fine. We just need to take the maximum value of plus x or minus x, and then we can just double it. If I am going plus 3, then I had to come back. I have to come back this 3 distance. So anyway, 3 will be double, and I can take it. So I have taken another example here. Plus x is 1 time and minus x is 3 times. This time the value of minus x is more. So even if we are taking minus 3, here I have to take plus 3. So one thing is clear, we just need the maximum value of negative and positive, whichever is there, and then we can simply multiply it with 2. So we have three variables, and positive and negative, both of them are there, and we just need to take the maximum of positive and negative, and we will multiply it 2. So I guess this thing is clear. Now next, I have mentioned like what to do. So obviously first we will check for the three direction. Suppose we will first check for x. If plus x is present, we will check if minus x is there or not, or vice versa. If minus x is there, then plus x is there or not. Like either both of the values should be more than 0, or if both are 0, it's fine. Similarly for y we will check, and z we will check, and if any point we find that one positive is present but negative is not there, or negative is present positive is not there, like the pair of it is not there, we will simply return -1. Else suppose we are having both in pair, so what we will do, we will take the maximum of positive and negative, whatever is the maximum we will simply multiply it with 2, and we will sum the values for x, y and z, and we will return it. So I guess the question is pretty much easy, and even it come in the easy section of the Power Programmer. So I guess you can code it. I will tell you can code it and send it to me in my Telegram group. I will review your code and tell you if the code is fine or not. So this is the code. If you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section. I will answer you. Now quickly move to the next question. So the next question, it's a very interesting question, and based on number. So it's saying we need to find the sum of next and previous number having all odd digits. So what it's saying, we will given a number n. Find the sum of numbers that are lesser than or equal or greater than equal to n having all odd digit. Okay, so question looks confusing. We will quickly move to the question and check what it actually saying with example. And before moving, I want to add that the solution of this question is provided by Aman, who is a member of my Telegram group, and we discussed there. So let's move. Okay, so 5. What it's saying, 5, we need to find a less number and previous number. Not exactly less, I mean for the previous number we can have less or equal, even for the next number we can have greater or equal, so we can take 5 as well, no issues. But one thing is that the all the digit of the number must be odd. So when we are taking 5, we can take 5 itself as next and previous, it's fine. So we need, so next is 5, previous is also 5, and we will return the sum. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, fine. Now take a good example, 26. So what is the previous number? So we can't take 25 because 2 is even digit. So we need to have all digit odd. So if I come back from there, I can't take any number till 20 because 2 is there. So before 20 there is 19. Yeah, I can take 19. This is odd number and all the numbers are in them is odd. So 19 is the previous, fine. Now for the next one, for 26 I can't take any number till 29 because 2 is there, so I will go to 30. Now 30 is a even number, I can't take it, so 31 is the next best option that I have to choose. So 19 plus 31, that is 50, that is our answer. Okay, now next let's move to some more examples. 2 4 5. Okay, 2 4 5, I can see 2 is even, 4 is even, so the previous number is 199. Why? Because in the 2 4 5 I can't take any number in the series of that 4 from 40 to 45. I can't take any number because 4 is there. Now if I move to 3, like 2 3 9, I can't take that also because 2 is there, so even I had to take the before number. So before 2 there is 1. Now your thinking process should not be like that, change all the number to previous odd, because in that way 2 4 5 will be 1 3 5. but that is not the answer, because we have 199 that is greater than 135, and it is actually the previous number of this 245. And next, for 245, obviously we need to go to in series of 300, because we need to start with 300. We can't take 2. So after 3 3 1 we can't take 301 302, this kind of thing, because 0 is even digit, so it's better we are taking 311. And similarly, another example, 1345, 1 and 3 is even sorry, odd, so no issues. We just need to change this 4 to 3. We will change, and this 5 will be changed to 9. And 1351, obviously the next one. So I guess you have already watched the pattern. If you haven't watched, I would suggest stop and write some more example and try to find the pattern by yourself. Else I will anyway tell you what is the pattern. The pattern is that we will simply, from the left end, we will simply check for the first even number. Once we get the even number, we will change that number either to previous odd or to next odd. I mean, if 2 is there and we are going for previous, we will change it to 1. If we are going for next, we will change it to 3. And for the previous number, once we change the first recognized even number from left side, we will change all the value present in the right side to 9, because that will be the biggest number less than number n. And similarly, for getting the next number, we will change the first recognized even number from left side to its greater odd number, and all the number present right side of it will be changed to 1. And obviously, some edge cases we can say, like if the last digit is even, and then suppose we have 132. 132, obviously we will simply change this 2 to 1 and 2 to 3, and it's right side, there is no number, so no need to change. And again, there won't be any edge case to change to previous and next number, because 2 is the first even number. Anyway, no number will start with 0. So before 2, 1 is always there, and before 8, 9 is always there. So there is no chance of getting any edge case there. So this is the pattern. I already said that we will replace previous to odd number and make 9, and make 1 for to get the next number. So this is it. I want you to code it as well, and you can share the code in my Telegram group. I will review your code. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also, I have recently joined Amazon, so I will be starting a new series with my switch story, how I switched from Infosys to Amazon. With all your queries will be resolved in that series. So stay tuned for the new series, and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can join my Telegram group, or you can connect with me, link. Thank you.